Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. In today's episode, I'll be reviewing the Alpha Outlaw safety razors. 316 stainless steel, very nice looking razors, and I'll tell you some information about them, and then we'll get right to the shave. Here's a look at the Alpha Outlaw closed comb stainless steel safety razor. It comes in two versions, mild and standard. This is the Braveheart handle. It has smooth chrome at the top, checkered knurling working its way down, another smooth band here, and a smaller smooth ring down at the bottom with the Alpha logo at the end of the handle. Let's disassemble this. It's a three-piece razor. Breaks down into three pieces. Here's a look at the top cap. On the underside of the base plate is the Alpha logo with a circle around it. And then on the right side is the mild shaving designation. It's an M with a circle around it. That designates a mild shaving razor. Here's the standard version with the Bravo handle. It has smooth polished chrome up at the top and then 5 rings going down the handle. Again with the Alpha logo at the bottom of the razor handle. The head is highly polished. Here's the underside of the base plate, no designation here, and then the Alpha logo on this side. Again, a three-piece razor. This one will be the more aggressive shaving razor. Let's install a blade right over the post and the 2 pins, like so. We install the safety bar to top cap, tighten it up. As you can see, there's no blade overhang whatsoever. So there's no risk of cutting your fingers on the outside edges. Here's a look at the reveal. Perfectly even on both sides. The mild blade gap is 0.56 millimeters. The standard blade gap is 0.72 millimeters. These are both very well machined razors and razor handles. The Alpha Outlaw DE razor. Full stainless steel construction, super grip handle. Your choice of mild or standard, more aggressive head and handle type, Braveheart or Bravo. If you get your Outlaw from Shave Nation, it comes in this black pebble grain leather snap case to safely protect and store your razor. All parts 100% machined, 316L marine grade stainless steel. You have your choice of the Braveheart or Bravo handle. The specifications on these razors, they're both the same. The overall length from top to bottom is 3.7 inches or 93 millimeters. The razor weighs in at 4 ounces or 113 grams. Let's see how it shaves. I kind of want to get a feel for the mild versus standard head, and the standard being a bit more aggressive. So I think the best way to go about it is I will shave the left side of my face with the mild razor with the Braveheart handle right here, and I'll shave the right side of my face with the standard version with the Bravo handle, so that way I can tell them apart easily. Braveheart, Bravo. And someone requested that I use the Forbes Cedarwood and Sandalwood shaving cream. They said they couldn't find a video of it anywhere on YouTube, so I thought I would use that. And then we'll mix up a lather in the Shave Nation lather bowl right here. The red version comes in 7 different colors: black, red, blue, white, pink, yellow, green, but we'll use the red today. And both of these razors, by the way, they're already loaded up with feather blades, so we'll have an equal comparison as far as the blade in the razor. I'll use the Simpsons Chubby 2 brush, and then we'll finish up with the Shave Nation wide stick alum block. And for aftershave, we might as well stick with the Forbes Cedarwood and Sandalwood Aftershave Balm. which is great for winter use. Here's a look at the bottle. All right, I've got my marble cup. I'm going to fill it with hot water. And here's the Simpsons Chubby 2. Here's what it looks like when it's dry. We'll drop it right into the cup. There, it's saturated. Still holds together a nice, tight, dense knot. Let's set this down. Let that soak for a minute. And I'll warm up my ceramic bowl. It is ceramic, so it will retain the heat. Let's crack open this Castle Forbes, Cedarwood and Sandalwood. Got a little shaving cream spoon here. Let's remove some of the cream. Just a small spoonful, like so. About an almond-sized dollop is all you need. We'll drop that right into the bottom of the lather bowl, down into the lather spot, just like that. Let's remove the brush from the water. Pour out the water. Just give the brush a couple shakes, and we'll go right into the bowl and see if we can mix a lather. Just take the tips and drive it down into the bottom of that lather spot. And as you can see, very nice. It's you can see that the shaving cream starts to rise to the top. Isn't that what they say? The cream rises to the top. That's exactly what happens. Just scoop it back down, right into the spot. Keep swirling. And 30 seconds, you got tons of lather, enough for several passes. No problem whatsoever. This smells really good. It's got a bit of sandalwood, but it's also from the cedarwood. It's a little bit smoky to me. Very nice smelling shaving cream. Look at that. Lots of lather. Very nice. All right, so I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. As you can see, I have several days of beard growth here. So let's see how these razors perform. Let's lather up. Just drive that cream right into the beard. You want to soften the beard, the whiskers, elevate them, prepare them for the shave ahead. Just drive that lather right into the beard. Little figure eight, smooth everything out. Let's clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Okay, here we go. The Alpha Outlaw stainless steel safety razor. The Braveheart is the mild, which I'll shave my left side. The standard version is the Bravo handle. I'll shave my right side. We'll start with the left side. It has the M at the bottom of the base plate with the circle, so that will be the mild side, left side. Temper it under the hot water. All right, here we go. We'll start just perpendicular, tilt slightly up with the handle, work our way down. Not that mild. Gets the job done easily. Okay, let's flip it over. Nice. Okay, both sides are filled. Let's rinse that. Mustache area. Very good. Feels very hefty. Feels great in the hand. Now we'll move over to the Bravo with the standard head. More aggressive. Warm that. Temper it under the hot water. Same way. Just tilt the handle slightly outward. Oh yeah, definitely more aggressive. You can feel it. Right down the neckline. Actually, let's rinse that. Now down the neckline. Very nice. Mustache. Scoop right under the nose. I feel like you even get more audible feedback from this one, the more aggressive version. Okay, first pass complete. I'm pretty smooth right now, but let's lather up and do another pass. Let's grab our brush and bowl. Still plenty of lather. Yes, very nice cedarwood. I get more cedarwood from it than I do sandalwood. Just that smoky scent. Okay, mild version, across the grain. And against the grain on the neck. Now the mustache. No blade hangover on these, which is really nice. Let's rinse that. Now we'll go back to the Bravo standard. Across the grain. Now the neckline. Super. It's great. Across the mustache. And a quick cleanup. Beautiful. Okay, a quick two-pass shave. The left side and the right side. The right side, a little bit smoother. I do feel it. So the more aggressive shaving razor will get you closer, faster than the mild version. Let's do a final rinse. Hot, then cold water. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap, wet it under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you just shaved. It'll give you some feedback on your shave. If you got a little stinging, you went a little too close, a little irritation. If you got any small nicks, weepers, micro nicks, this will seal them off right away. And it feels great. Nice finish to the shave. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. All right, let's pour a little bit of our Castle Forbes Cedarwood and Sandalwood right into the fingertips. Just a bit. It's a nice, thick, milky, white balm. Great for winter use. Oh, exact same scent, that smoky cedarwood. Massage that into the skin. Beautiful. Very nice. As you can see, I went from several days of beard growth to baby smooth. Look how nice. Here's a final look at the razors. The Alpha Outlaw stainless steel razors. Fashioned from 316L marine grade stainless steel. You never have to worry about rust. Shave very well. If you prefer a milder shave, you'll go with the M head. And if you prefer a more aggressive shave, you'll go with the standard head. You also have your choice of handles. If you pick these up at Shave Nation, you can get the Braveheart handle or you can get the Bravo handle. The Braveheart, very easy to grip. In my opinion, the Bravo, just a little bit grippier, a little easier to grip, more pronounced checkered knurling on the handle. The 5 rings also assist in a more secure grip, my opinion. So Bravo over Braveheart as far as grip goes. Both excellent shaving razors, feel great in the hand. Solid stainless steel, should last a lifetime. The Alpha logo on the bottom of the handle, just a finishing touch on the razor. Both excellent razors. The Cedarwood and Sandalwood, excellent shaving cream, very easy to lather, a smoky / sandalwood scent, and lathered up in the Shave Nation bowl, no problem whatsoever. The Cedarwood and Sandalwood aftershave balm, excellent as well. I've got a nice smooth finish on my face, and this will add some protection throughout the day. Exact same scent as the shaving cream, can't go wrong. The Simpsons Chubby toothbrush, well, you know, no problem mixing lather with it. and feels great on the face. And just all in all, world's finest shaving brushes made by Simpsons. And the feather blade, well, you know, the sharpest blade out there, gets the job done quicker and easier than any other. But it might be too sharp for you as well, so try a few other blades and then work your way up to the feather. The Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block, a nice cool antiseptic finish to the shave. Do me a favor before I head out, please click that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, then click the bell, and then click all. So you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go straight to your inbox and you won't miss any. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below where it says show more. We'll have links right down there where you can grab them. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.